guys, this is Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel, TheLeiaV. In today's video is going to be a first impressions makeup demo review kind of video with the brand called Makeup with Rising Phoenix. I have all of the single pot shadows and also they have a trio palette. These are somewhat like an eyeshadow topper or you can use them as a regular eyeshadow as well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the swatches of the products that were sent to me and how I achieved this eye makeup look. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell to turn on notifications whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. It will be reaching your inbox. And if you'd like to know more about my review on these Makeup with Rising Phoenix eyeshadows, then please keep on watching. In the back of the eyeshadow pen, it tells you the name of the eyeshadow, the ingredients, and it is also said here that it's US FDA approved, which is nice to know. A local brand coming up like this. I'm going to be taking my ring finger. I'm going to be taking a little bit of the product. It's really nicely soft, very buttery. It almost feels like a very high-end brand of eyeshadows. I'm going to be swatching it right here. Whoa, that's a lot of pigment. And bear in mind, I have medium complexion with a lot of yellow undertones. And that really came out really pigmented. It gets me excited. So now I'm going to be swatching the purple shade. This is called Athena. The green one is called Gaia. This, however, is not as pigmented as the first two colors, but I'm not mad. Moving on to the second last shade. This is called Hypnose. Hypnose is like a very light mauve brown. Now for the last single eyeshadow, this is called Demeter. As you can see, Demeter doesn't have much kickback as compared to Gaia. Can you see that it has a little bit of chalkiness going on? But I believe if you were to wet your brush, oh, this looks amazing. Well done, Makeup with Rising Phoenix. You did such a great job. So let's get swatching some more. Now let's get to swatching the trio palette. I want to try out the blue and oh my gosh, this has a very nice iridescent. Even this too looks really pretty. Let's have a look at the second trio palette. A different mix of colors. There's a light green, there's a bronze, and also a pink. I want to see how different is this green from the first. This is a lot more darker, and this almost has like a foil finish. Let's have a look at the bronzy color. Oh, this too has a little bit of kickback. They don't feel tacky. They are kind of soft and smooth. Oh, this has definitely a lot of kickback. It has that mauve undertone, almost like a duochrome eyeshadow effect. I want to move on straight on to the eyeshadow application and show you guys how the eyeshadows actually apply on my eyelids. Today I'm going to be trying out the pot single eyeshadow that was sent to me, and I actually like all of them, to be honest. I like that they have a very trendy metallic sheen to it. I absolutely love how they actually swatched on the back of my hand. Athena, Hypnose, and Aries. I have these three shades. I feel like they kind of complement what I'm wearing right now. They don't have a transitional shade, so I'm going to be taking something that I have on hand right now into the bronzer and lightly dusting it across. I'm not precisely placing the product, just a light wash of color on the crease. To pick up the product, it is said that it is best used with a stiff, dense eyeshadow brush that will pick up the product very easily. A little bit goes a long way. I have chosen the TheLeiaV's 226 smudger brush that looks like this. It's quite densely packed and it's quite stiff. And I'm just going to be lightly... Oh, it does pick up the product. I am not swirling my brush around the pan. I'm just patting the brush and it picks up the product quite nicely, if you can see. And there's actually not much fallout when I tap off. I am going to apply this eyeshadow onto the first half of my eyelid. First I place the product and then I'm just lightly sweeping the color. That's a lot of product. I like the color payoff. The softer the application, I feel like the more the density of the eyeshadow pigment is being deposited. I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris eyeliner brush. I'm going to be picking up Athena, which is this purple shade. I'm curious to find out. It does pick up nicely. Also, I did not see so much of fallout with this. I'm going to be taking the same purple shade onto my lower lash line as well. And this is the final look. I just finished off the eye makeup look with a coat of eyeliner, a couple of coats of mascara. I've lined my waterline. A moment of appreciation, please. I absolutely love how the makeup with Rising Phoenix single eyeshadows really blended out with ease. There was no patchiness, there was no skipping, and it felt really nicely finely milled on the eyelid, and it very much felt like a very high-end brand of eyeshadow, and I really like how it actually turned out. It's all pigment, there was no fallout, and there was no chalkiness, and there was no fallout on the upper cheeks like I've just mentioned. That's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this first impression review demo kind of video, and I'm speaking really fast because my battery is about to go off. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. This brand is from Singapore, so please do give them some support and show them some love. I'll put a link to whatever that was featured in this video, to their Instagram page, wherever you can find them. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Your support will go a very long way. And that's it. I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys!